Welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find the number of arrangements that can be formed by jumbling the letters of the word Mississippi so that no two S's are together. So number of arrangements where no two S's are together. So obviously the method that I am going to use is gap method. So whenever you have no two some letters are together, we use gap method. So in gap method what we do is we separate these S's in the first stage and we arrange the remaining letters. So the remaining letters are M, I, P, P, I. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 letters. So these 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial base. Right? So let us assume that I have arranged this 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Now, once I have arranged these 7 letters, because S's don't want to be together, I have to arrange them in the gaps that are formed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gaps that are formed. So in how many ways can you arrange 4 S's in 8 gaps? 8P4 by 4 factorial. Total number of arrangements is 8P4 of 4 objects, but the 4 objects are identical, so we have to divide it with the 4 factorial. So the total number of ways in which I can arrange these letters as well as S's is 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 8P4 by 4 factorial is 8C4. So now once you have this number, you just need to see which option is working. So if you see the first option 8C4 is there, and 7 factorial can be written as 7 times 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 8C4. So 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 6C4 into 8C4. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.